Can you imagine an entire city being a UNESCO World Heritage Site? And it's so close to India that the flights are cheap. There's visa on arrival. Accommodation like this at just 700 rupees is vegetarian friendly and offers a great mix of culture and adventure in just under a week. Luang Prabang in Laos is a city unlike any other you've seen before. We're talking emerald waterfalls straight out of heaven, vivid sunsets on the Mekong River, dining in the jungle alongside free-roaming elephants, listening to local Laotian folktales that involve unheard stories from the Ramayana, relaxing cruises that start at just 500 rupees, and even making your very own batik souvenir by the riverside. A unique town brimming with both Buddhist and French colonial heritage, Luang Prabang is perfect for families, solo travelers, and even for working remotely.